Hello everyone and welcome to Honors Com 9. My name is Michaela Hench and I am super excited for this school year to start, even if it is a little abnormal. A little about me personally before I dive into some other things. I'm going to try to keep this video as brief as I can. But this is my third year here at Simile. I have taught Honors Com 9 all 3 years I've been here, and I've also been the yearbook advisor. So if you have any yearbook questions, feel free to send them my way as well. As far as extracurricular activities go, I also am a coach on the track and field team. I ran track and field in high school and college where I went to Hamline University. But yeah, I love to read. I love to exercise sometimes. And I just got engaged this summer a couple weeks ago. So life is good as it can be, even though a lot is happening in the world right now. But I just want to talk you through, I'm going to do a couple quick points here in this video. I'm going to talk you through what this classroom is going to look like in terms of COVID precautions. I'll give you a tour of the room quickly here in a second. I'll talk a little bit about this course and what this course entails. Talk a little bit about Schoology and how to contact me. So first, I just want to remind parents and students that I will most likely, you will never see me again without a mask on. So I'll have my mask on. Students, you'll be wearing your mask too. So it'll be different, but we're going to make it work. I'll be cleaning the classroom on the desks in between every hour. I have hand sanitizer multiple places in the room, so we're going to do everything we can to try to keep everyone healthy and safe and in school. So if you have more questions about COVID precautions or safety guidelines and what our school is doing, feel free to reach out to our administration. They'd love to help you with that. But our class, so Honors Com 9, Welcome to High School, is really focused on academic writing. So we are really going to focus on how do we structure a cohesive and well-written and well-structured academic essay. So we're going to be reading some short stories, we're going to be reading some novels, but again, the big focus this year is writing essays, writing with strong topic sentences, having data, having warrants that fully explain our points, connecting our points to each other. This is a super useful skill for obviously your next few years of high school if you decide to go into college, but also whatever you do in life, whether you're a lawyer, whether you're running a meeting, maybe you're interviewing someone, no matter what you're doing, you're going to need to put together cohesive arguments and be able to really explain your points in a structured and organized way. So, important year. We'll also be doing a little bit of grammar here and there. And I'm really excited. This is a super fun class. Some of the books we'll read, hopefully pending everything goes okay, but this try we will read The Giver. Some of you have probably read it before. It's a great book. Second try, we will read Legend and Divergent. So perhaps some of you, again, have read these. The books this year are supposed to be kind of fun. So Divergent is obviously a movie series as well. And then third try, we are going to read House the Scorpion and Red Queen, and then we will compare and contrast the two, and we will also, hopefully, everything goes well, get to Romeo and Juliet third try. So, fun class. You are graded in this class 60% on your writing and your pre-writing work and your rough drafts and peer evaluating and all that fun stuff. So 60% that, and then 40% all the participation, grammar, smaller things that kind of accumulate together into our essay. So again, 40% for non-reading and writing stuff, and then 60% for our essays and all that goes along with that. Schoology, obviously, as you know, is the main thing we're going to be using to have our classes. I'm going to try to go as paper-free as possible. I just think that is easier for everyone and also safer for everyone. So please bring your iPads, bring them charged, and if this wasn't clear at tech distribution, so there's a huge back order, like nationwide, even internationally with Chromebooks. So we're on the list and we're hoping to get ours in the next few weeks. So hopefully when that happens, we'll just switch out your iPads and give you all Chromebooks. But we're going to make it work. So please bring your device. And again, everything's going to be on Schoology, so please check that daily. I really pride myself in organizing Schoology so it is user-friendly. So it'll be organized like all of their classes. I'll have weekly folders. I will have agendas. I will have assignments. Everything will be there. And you should be ready to go. But quickly, I'm going to show you here the classroom, and then I will give you my contact information, but that's really all I have for you. So if you can see behind me here, so this is my classroom. As you can see, everything is a little weird with the desks, but they are 6 feet apart. I have measured. Some other things to know. So unfortunately, I do have like stacks of desks in my room, just so there's more space for us. I have a whiteboard. I was trying to figure out my schedule here. It's a little confusing. A smart board. Over by the door here, I have hand sanitizer for you to use. And then up here on the chalkboard, yes, I still have a chalkboard. I don't know why there wasn't even chalkboards when I was in school, but there's still a chalkboard. So I'll put super organized too along with Schoology when you're in class. You'll see the essential question, the learning target, agenda, and homework. And if you're all online, this will all be all online. So nothing to worry about. As you can see too, kind of as we go around the room, I have a lot of lamps in the classroom. So if you're in class, occasionally we will do lessons or have discussions or whatnot. Well, I'll turn the lights off and we'll just use lamplight. It gets super bright in here with the white floors, white walls, white ceilings. So I want to make it a little warmer. But yeah, so classroom. And then last thing, this is obviously going to be on Schoology and the syllabus and everywhere, and you can find this online too, but my email is here, henchm@isd199.org, and my school phone number is here too. I highly, highly recommend you use the email, just because this I can't always answer if I'm teaching, or it's hard to get back to people, but email, I'm super quick at checking email, so. Again, super excited to be here, whether you are a hybrid Honors Com 9 student or an all-online Honors Com 9 student. I am super excited to meet you. Welcome to high school. You're going to do great. And I will see you next week.